Here we got the Yanmar YM2000 with my mulch fork on the back of it that I come up with so far. As you can see, it's built it out of a carry-all, some wood, some pipes, just a whole bunch of this, that, and the other. And it's worked out pretty dang nicely so far. I built this originally for my little Yanmar 1500, and then I bought the bigger tractor, fell into it, so I couldn't not buy it. So I got this here. It's got some jam cleat to a sailboat that runs the claw for lifting up and down, pinching the mulch in there. I got a line run to the back here that's tied onto the handle, so when you pull on the line, it pulls that back, which allows it, when there's mulch on the forks because of where the pivot is, you pull on that and then the mulch spills, and then it's balanced back the opposite direction so that after it spills, it comes back and auto resets. So this is all just kind of experimental, and I'd like to build it out of metal once I get all the kinks worked out of it. But so far so good. Have to show you one with it working here soon.